wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids!
From A to Z,
From east to west,
you're Olivia.
and you're Noah.
And welcome back to
Dream Again! Yay!
Did you like that?
Yeah, that was fun.
We switched it up.
Yeah, we totally switched it up. I was surprised.
Yeah, kids, did we surprise you too?
Yeah. Maybe we threw them off.
Yeah, maybe we did.
Ooh.
Look, I have a surprise
that?
for you.
Ooh, I have a surprise for you too.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I wonder what it is.
I do too. Do you want to go first?
I'll go first.
Yay!
I got you a... Dun 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 dun. Drum roll, please. Do 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 do. Ta-da!
Ooh! Oh!
It's a wood heart jewelry box just for you.
Oh, that's lovely.
I thought I would give this to you. I recently cut that out at my toolbox. Do you remember?
Yeah, I do remember.
I already gave a gift for you.
Oh,
So
I
now
love
you have
that.
another one.
Can I show you what I got you?
Yeah.
I got you. Ooh! Abracadabra! Oh no.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
You did do that a little bit better than me.
Yeah,
Do you need help?
can you grab the lid?
Sure, I'll grab the lid.
Let's see. Okay, so I got you a chest that you can put all of your magic things in.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
It's a big chest. You can keep everything secret, or your magic stuff, or treasures.
Oh,
all
maybe
sorts
I
of
can
stuff.
put all my funny treasures in there.
Yeah. I think that would be really neat.
Or
yeah.
all of my magic items. So, yeah. Thank you.
You can put anything in it.
But you know what? It looks very boring. I mean, it's a very nice wood chest.
Yeah.
But I want to color it.
Oh, yeah, let's color them. I want to color mine too.
Okay, so I'm going to put the cloth away.
Me too.
I'm going to pull out my palette.
Me too.
And my paintbrushes.
Yeah, I got my paintbrush.
I'm going to use my big one. And of course, I'm going to paint it blue. Oh,
Red, but...
I think we forgot something.
What do we... Oh!
We didn't even tell the kids what we're doing.
Sorry, kids. We just got so excited to color our
did.
boxes.
Yeah, we did.
Wow.
Why
Do you
don't we
wanna
tell the
them?
kids
Oh, do you
what
want me to
they
tell them?
will need? Yeah, you should tell the kids what they will need in order to do a craft like this.
Great. So, kids, what you need is a box. We got little wood ones for each other. You can get it at a craft store. But you could also take a piece of paper and fold it into a box shape and tape it.
Yep.
Yeah. And then we also have paint. So this is a good time to use your poster paints or your acrylic paints because those will show up really good on this box.
Yep.
Yeah. And, but if you want it to look more like a wood stain, like where it's just a tiny bit the color, then you could use your watercolors. So you have choices.
Yep.
Yeah. And then other than that, bring your imagination.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. The world
And you can
is your oyster.
design them the way you want to design them.
Yeah, you can make it any different way. You could put on a frog or a ladybug or do a rainbow or all sorts of stuff.
Yeah. And like I said, I know for sure that I'm going to paint it blue.
Ooh.
And in order for you or other people to know that it's my box, I'm going to put an N there.
Ooh.
And then
that's
because
nice.
I love space, I'm going to put a rocket one side and
Ooh.
a spaceman on the other side.
Oh.
And I don't know. I'll still have to think
Ooh.
of what else I can do.
That's very fancy. I think what I'm going to do, because I really like red and I also like pink a lot, I'm going to make my box go from red to pink. Yeah.
Whoa, how do you do that?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with red and then I'll add a tiny little bit of white. And then I'll paint a little more, and then a little bit more white, and then a little bit more white as I get all the way to the bottom.
Wow.
And then...
That seems very hard to do.
You know what, though? You can also just do it where you take pink at the bottom and then red at the top and then just kind of blend them together in the middle.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting. I can't wait to see your design.
It's not as hard as it seems.
Yep.
It just takes a lot of trial.
Okay. Well, kids, why don't you get your wooden chest or paper to create a box like this?
And some paints.
And get some paint, some colors, some water, and think about what you want to design, and you go ahead, do it, and we'll be right back.
Yeah. We'll be right back. Oh, an airplane would also be cool.
On mine?
Just in general. I just think an airplane would be cool. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
A rainbow just like that would be nice, too.
Yeah, a
but
rainbow
we've
like
done a
that would
lot
be
of
nice.
rainbows.
Yeah.
I want to do something different.
Yeah, me too.
Think outside of the box.
Definitely. Like, we're in the box, and then we climbed out of the box.
outside of the box.
In
Exactly.
the box. Out of the box. In the box.
What do you think
out of the
you're
box.
going to put into your box? Do you know already?
I think, well, you said it'd be a good jewelry box, and so I think I'm going to put my hair clippies in, and I have a princess necklace, I think.
Oh, okay.
So, just
Okay.
treasures.
Well, let's start painting.
Okay, let's do.
Oh, going to draw a rocket. It's going to be hard, but I'll try my best.
Yeah. I think I'm going to do some flowers on top. I think those will be kind of hard, too.
What if I do a picture of our Earth? Because since I'm doing a rocket and a spaceman, I can then do a picture of Earth as if I'm in space looking down.
Ooh, yeah, that sounds really, really neat. And Earth is really pretty because it's blue and green.
Yep.
And all the different colors are swirly. I like that.
Okay. Okay. I'm just going to paint my spaceman. It's a little bit harder to do.
Yeah, I'm just finishing up my last flower.
I don't know if this looks good, but
I'm done.
I think that's
Oh,
the
let me
best
see.
I can do.
No, I think that looks great.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can definitely. That's definitely a spaceman.
You think I can show it to the kids?
Oh, 100% you can show that to the kids.
Okay.
The kids will love that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think most of it is dry too, so
Yeah, mine too.
I'm ready to show it to the kids. Are you?
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, why don't you go first?
Okay, I'll go first. I'm going to hold it up like this.
Whoa.
Ooh. So,
You can really see the different colors from red to light, and it just gets lighter and lighter and lighter.
see, like the top is bright red, and then at the bottom it's like a very light pink.
Wow.
And then they're not as easy to see, but I did a little flowers, so because it kind of maybe reminds me of spring.
Yeah.
And like tropical flowers.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really nicely done.
Thank you. I really like it. This was a really good present, Noah.
Yeah. So you basically used one color and just made it fade lighter and lighter and lighter.
Yep. That's totally true. I basically did the entire box with just red and white.
Huh.
Yeah, mixing them together
Wow.
in different amounts.
That's amazing. Well, I used different colors.
Ooh, I'm excited to see yours.
So I used a light blue shade and a dark blue for the top.
Ooh, yeah. I like that a lot.
You can see I put my first letter on there.
Yeah, N for Noah.
N for Noah. And then I wrote down dream because this is my dream box.
Aw,
These are the things I'm going to put in there that I want to dream about.
that's very nice.
Right?
Yeah, I like that.
So
Good
on the
call.
one side, here I should probably take off the lid.
Here, can I help? There we go.
So on the one side, I painted a rocket.
That looks great.
Because I love going to space, and
wow.
one day I hope to go to space.
Yay, the rocket. Vroom.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then on this side, I drew. It's hard to see, maybe, and it's not the best
I think
picture
it looks
of a
really
rocket
good.
of a rocket man or spaceman, but he's already up and with all the stars.
Ooh, I think he looks great, and he's got his helmet on.
Yeah.
And his oxygen pack.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then on this side is because since I'm up in space, I'm looking down on Earth, and that's
Aw.
where you're living.
Yeah, and I bet I'm waving up at you like this. Hi, Noah.
And I'm waving down to you. Hi,
Very,
Olivia.
very cool. Yeah. Aw.
Yep, and then dream that we have. But
Yeah.
look, I can put all my dreams in there now.
Aw. Yeah, it'll be so nice. You can fill it up with maybe like a coin from a space museum.
Exactly.
Or, like if you make a little paper rocket. Or, a paper airplane that you pretend is a rocket.
Yeah, that would be cool.
That'd be really cool.
All of the things that I very much care about, and that I wanted to be safe,
Yeah.
and so I can always look at it.
I really like these boxes. Thank you so much for mine, Noah.
Yeah, I'm grateful for the one that you gave me.
Good.
You know what? I think I'm gonna put my box right next to my letter N. up front there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I think I'll put mine up there too.
Yeah, that would be nice.
That'd be very, very nice. Ooh, I could keep some art stuff in it.
Yeah.
Because I like art so much.
Yeah, exactly.
That'd be very fun.
So,
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool. Thanks, kids, for watching. If you make a dream box and you decide to put stuff in it, you could let us know what you put in it or what it looks like. We'd be very, very curious.
Yeah, we would. We'd love to see your boxes too, or
Definitely.
whatever it is that you drew on them.
Yeah, and the treasures you keep.
Yep.
Aw. Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching Dream Again.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
And we look forward to seeing you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!